Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders, and also in this video, I will be showing you how I apply my UNT peel-off base and how I remove my manicure. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from Rebel Nail and Dip UK. So here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Ice from Rebel Nail, and this is a solid light blue shade. Next is in the shade Lovely, again from Rebel Nail, and this is a white shade with mica. This reminds me of Bubbly and Margot. Lastly, the shade Ocean Breeze from Dip UK, and this one is a mix of gold and blue foil in a light blue base. And for the liquids, I will be using my Rebel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. You don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. And also, I just want to mention that you don't need to cure this, so you have to wait until it's totally dry. I would say it's about 5 minutes until it's fully dry. So here is what it looks like once it's dry. So next, I move on to my dip powder application, which is applying a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. As always, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. So then once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So first, I will be applying the shade Ice on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. So then once I'm finished with the shade Ice, I move on to my next powder, which is Lovely, and I will be applying this on my ring nail. And again, I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. This powder is actually quite nice. It reminds me of Bubbly and Margot. So once I'm finished with Lovely, I move on to my last powder, which is the Dip UK Ocean Breeze, and I will be applying this on my middle nail. And with this powder, I apply it differently. So instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder. I find that this method is actually better with this kind of powder just because this has a lot of chunky foil, and then I use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area, and also I use a little bit of activator to flatten out the foils. So then I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my second coat. So once I'm finished with all the colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using chunky bits on your nails, just because it will protect your colors underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, again I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust and then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. Here are the finished look of my manicure. So now I will be showing you how I remove my manicure. So what you need is a wooden cuticle pusher. So this is the orange stick. Or you can also use something like this, but this one is very sharp, so you have to be very careful. This is my cuticle scraper. So all you need to do is place your cuticle pusher between your nail plate and your dip powder, and as you can see, it easily pop off like that, and my nails is not damaged at all. So I repeat the same step on all of my nails. And also, I just want to mention that if you use UNT peel-off base, your manicure will not gonna last. In my personal experience, my manicure only lasts 2 days. So just keep that in mind if you want to use UNT peel-off base. So here are what my nails looks like after I peeled off my manicure. So as you can see, my nails aren't damaged at all. And what I do is just apply a little bit of cuticle oil just to rehydrate my nails. And we are done. That's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next one.